Today we'll see how to fetch product search results using connectAPI. To fetch products using connectAPI, we need a commerce search class, connectAPI commerce search class. So here we have that. In this commerce search, we have four methods: get, sort, role, get suggestion, and search products. So as we want to search products, we have to utilize search products method, which expects web store ID, effective account ID, and the product search input. So if we go to the search products, here we can see all the parameters it requires and the return type. So here web store and effective ID are string, and for a product search input there is a separate connect API called as connect API dot product search input. So let's see what all this connect API dot product search input has. So if we come into product search input, we have different fields, multiple fields. So for example, it requires a category ID string, so we have to give the category ID, and if it is a required if search term isn't specified, so either category ID or search term, any one thing is mandatory. So next, fields. If you want to specify some fields, standard fields or custom fields, that you can pass as a list of string. And next, grouping. And include prices, include quantity rule, page size, all these are optional refinements. So search term, so again search term is a keyword where you have to give pass your search key. Okay, and you can pass search keys with the space, so that you can pass up to 32 search terms. And a sort rule ID, again this is an optional. Sort rule ID is something where you can pass the ascending, descending, uh, something like this. So sort by price, low to high, high to low. So all these kind of sort rule IDs you can pass from here. So using this input parameters, we can, and the web store ID and effective account ID, we can call the connect API dot commerce search dot search products. So and then we'll get the return value of connect API dot product search results. So if you see connect API dot product search results, it will have all these types. It will return us categories, correlation ID, facets, local, and product page. So inside product page, like again these are connect API terms. So basically inside categories, you will have all the details related to the categories from which the products have been returned. So it will have the parent category data, and if it has any children, it will have its children. For example, I'll open this category again. So it will have the description of the category, name of the ID of the category, name of that category, and all. So if you come back again, it will have children list of the same connect API. So if you have any subcategories in the category, it will have the details contained in this children array. So you can find all the applicable categories in the categories property. Now, if you come to facets, facets is a list of connect API search facet where you will find the all the applicable filters related or refinements related to the search. This we can discuss in the later video. And next, coming to the products page, this is the main connect API property which we require to fetch the products. So if you go into this products page, again we'll have currency code, page size, products, and total. So again inside the products we have list of connect API dot product summary. So if we go inside this product summary, we will have everything which we require, like default image, fields, ID, name, prices, product class, everything, every detail of the product. So this is the overall summary of which class we have to use, which what is the input structure, what is the product search input, and what is the result structure, and what we have to expect from it. So to begin with, we'll write an Apex class called as product search controller. I've just created this class and method name. So inside this we have to use search products. So to call the search products, if we come here, yeah, so commerce search class is inside a connect API, and again all the methods which we are seeing here are inside the commerce search. So we have to use connect API dot commerce search dot search products. So here we go, connect API dot commerce search dot search products, and it the return value of the search products we saw is connect API dot product search results. So let's go here. So connect API dot product search results equals to connectAPI commerce search dot search products web store ID effective account ID product search input. Okay, so now let's get a web store ID. So for example, web store ID, and again web store ID is a string, right? So string of web store ID equals to, and string of effective account ID. So string effective account ID, for now we'll take it as a null. So the next input we want is product search input. So let's take it product search input, and product search input is the data type of the product search input is connectAPI.product search input. So we'll take connectAPI.product search input and we'll give it here. ConnectAPI.product search input is equals to product search input. Okay, so now as we are not implementing front end yet, we'll just hard code our web store ID, effective account ID, and all the required details. Okay, to fetch your web store ID, go to your store inspector or developer console, and I am querying on my this store ID common name from web store. Okay, so here I have Capricorn B2B store. I am taking ID of the Capricorn B2B store. Okay, and I am passing that ID here. And to fetch effective account ID, go to your store, go to one of the accounts, and take the ID of that user. So I'm taking the author song contact, so account name is Reliance Machinery, and I'm taking its effective account ID. Okay, and for product search input, let's initialize this. Okay, so now as we have multiple things again inside product search input, we'll take each and we'll see what all we have to pass. So inside the product search input, we have category ID fields and all this, right? As I said, all of them are optional, so either we can pass category ID or search term. So as we are doing search product story, we'll search with the search term. So let's suppose, for example, we can give, so first we'll go and see the products which we have in our commerce, so that we can give one search term. For we'll pass machine, like we have so many products with the word machine in it, so let's pass machine. Okay, our web story ID is ready, effective account ID is ready, product search input is ready, and now we are passing all three of them to our connectAPI.search results. So let's put a debug for our results. Okay, and let's serialize the result as we are as it is a commerce search now. connectAPI output, we am serializing it so that we can read it. And now I can select same, I am passing string, right? So I will be my return type is string, so I'll be serializing it and returning it. Okay, now meanwhile it gets deploys. Let me create an anonymous apex code for this. So for this you can just go to the scripts and go to some file. It's you can go from anywhere. So let me just call this product search controller dot controller dot get product results. Okay, so I was expecting a string of input params, but currently we are hard coding everything, so I'm removing the input parameter. So we need to just get the result of this. Okay, so string results equals to this, and system dot debug results. Okay, so to execute this, just select it, Control Shift P, type execute anonymous code with selected text. Okay, we got a result. Let's take this keyword. So this is the last one, so let me take. Okay, so to deserialize it, you can go to just any of the JSON formatter online, available online, and you can format it. Okay, I'm pasting it here. So yeah, here if you can see, I'm copying it and again pasting it in one of the file. Okay, so first of all we got categories, and inside we have all categories machines. So these products which I have got are from different categories. Few of them are inside industrial machinery category and few of them are in machinery category. So machines category. So what happened now, my main category is all categories, and inside that children we have two categories. So I have got it in this structure. I have got category and inside that I got children. So total I have got 7 products in the result, and out of which 6 are from this category and 2 of them are from this category. But sum of this is 8. So but overall products is 7. That means one of the product is available in both of these categories. So that's why the number is a little bit confusing. So let's close categories, and coming to facets, we'll see this later. And now products page, inside products page we have products. Inside each product we will get everything which we relate which we want from product, as it is a connectAPI.product summary attribute type. So if you see default image, so in this we will get all the information related to the product list image, not a media, not the detail wala, only we'll get images related to the list PLP page. So next, if I close this, I have fields, all the values from the different fields. So currently we are getting values from these 5 fields. If you want to get values more than apart from these fields, if you want to get the values of some custom fields, you have to in our product search input you will have something called as fields. So you have to pass product search input dot fields, and you have to pass those list of fields here in as a string. Okay, and so I'm closing this fields, and the next thing we got is id, name, price, null. Like if we include there is one more input in our connectAPI search input called as is include prices. If you pass it as true, we will get the pricing related information related to the product, particular product. So again, yeah, and if you include quantity rule true, you'll get quantity rule information. So everything, if you based on the boolean which we pass, we'll get the information. So and next is, this is related to the next product. So in this format we'll get all the product details. Let me close all the products and we'll see what do we have after products. Total 7. So you'll get the count number of products which we got in the products page. So simply in front end, if you want to show, you have to get the result, and inside the result you have to go to results.productpages.products and run a for loop on it and display it in the front end. That's it for now. Thank you.